Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Hump Day, March 21st, and we're going to jump right into it today. We just got a couple of small items here today to note, so we'll keep it short and sweet. Today, we got the existing home sales for February, and back in January, they actually raised it, so we actually had a very good number at 4.63 million. It was actually revised higher for January. We figured it would be pretty close, about the same for February, and it shrunk down to about 4.59. But you know what? For these first two starting months of the year are actually the highest we've had in 5 years. So this is actually good numbers, even though it dropped a little bit in February, but January was also went up a bit. Uh, so we'll kind of see how Wall Street's kind of taking it today. That's all we got for economic news releases. So the stock market's a little mixed. They're, for the most part, they're kind of down, but the S&P and Nasdaq are kind of trading pretty close. They're kind of going back and forth with things. There's also an interesting note I saw, or interesting article I saw with an interview on MarketWatch.com with Bernanke, basically talking a little bit about Europe and basically that they're kind of in the beginning stages, that we still kind of watch them, which is kind of one of the reasons why they're kind of optimistic about where the economy is going, but yet they know that Europe could kind of drag us into another recession. So that's why they're kind of cautious as to what they're stating in their statements, as we kind of keep our left eye on to them as well. So with that in mind, what he was kind of basically saying is that, again, we got a long road to recovery for them. They got a lot of work to do. Obviously they have to act as what they've implemented, what they put forward. So we'll see how that continues, and that's kind of what his point was when we move forward watching things. So let's go ahead and see what the bond market's doing today and where interest rates are going. As you saw, we have a bit of a drop yesterday. We did pull back a little bit, so that kind of helped us out. So we did have some price worsening yesterday, which is for the long line, and you see that long candlestick, so kind of reverse trend a little bit. So today we kind of started on the top end of things, and we're currently up a little bit. So we're about 28 basis points higher than where we left off yesterday. So we do have a slight improvement to the interest rates, and so we'll see if that continues or where that goes. We could, again, stick in a sideways moment. We do have more room to drop further. So, again, we just got to be cautious here as we play this out, as we're kind of right now trying to at a kind of a strong point here with the resistance here. All right, folks, if you guys are on Mike's Daily Market Report.com, please come and subscribe, get your free daily updates, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a wonderful day.